Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. DTC B1248 indicates a malfunction in the rear mode control motor circuit, affecting the operation of airflow distribution within the Honda Odyssey models from 2011 to 2017. The rear mode control motor is responsible for adjusting air direction to the rear passenger compartment, enhancing comfort for occupants. This error may include indicators such as J and mode, which are related to different operation states of the climate control system. The rear mode control motor is located within the vehicle's climate control system, typically positioned near the rear HVAC unit. Diagnosis is crucial for effective repairs and restoring proper function to the vehicle's climate control. Emergency resolution can significantly improve passenger comfort by ensuring optimal temperature and airflow distribution. The primary components involved when DTC B1248 is triggered include the rear mode control motor, the HVAC, heating, ventilation, air conditioning control unit, and the climate control unit. The rear mode control motor is critical in modulating where air flows in the rear section of the vehicle, usually located near the rear seating area, integrated with the HVAC system. The HVAC control unit sends operational signals, making it essential for proper communication between systems. The climate control unit maintains the desired temperature settings activated by passengers. Diagnosing this issue involves checking the functionality of these components to ensure that the airflow is directed correctly and that climate control settings are being honored. A failure in any of these components can lead to climate control issues that compromise passenger comfort and system efficiency. Several possible causes may lead to DTC B1248 being triggered. A faulty rear mode control motor can impair airflow adjustment, causing system failure. Damaged wiring or connectors between the rear mode control motor and HVAC control unit can interfere with signal transmission. Poor connections may lead to intermittent failures that do not consistently display fault codes. Additionally, a faulty climate control unit could fail to send correct signals to the rear mode control motor. Each of these issues must be meticulously inspected to identify the root cause of the error code, as accurate diagnosis is essential for correct repairs. Symptoms associated with DTC B1248 include inconsistent airflow distribution in the rear cabin, making it challenging for passengers to maintain a comfortable environment. A malfunctioning rear mode control motor may result in no airflow reaching the rear seats at all, potentially leaving passengers uncomfortable. Error codes will typically be displayed on the vehicle's dashboard or through the diagnostic system when the vehicle is self-diagnosed. Monitoring these symptoms can help in identifying issues related to climate control, ensuring timely repairs. Understanding these indicators allows technicians to diagnose effectively and inform owners of necessary interventions. The first step in troubleshooting DTC B1248 involves clearing the diagnostic trouble code, DTC, using Honda Diagnostic System, HDS. This system provides an electronic interface for diagnosis, allowing for effective troubleshooting. After clearing the DTC, turn the ignition switch to the lock position and then back to the on position. This action resets the vehicle's systems, enabling any faults to be re-evaluated accurately. Following this procedure will allow the technician to determine if the issue is persistent or just an intermittent fault. It is crucial to document this step as it serves as the foundation for further diagnostic efforts. In the second step, execute the self-diagnostic function using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, on the HVAC control unit and climate control unit. This function will allow for real-time monitoring of the vehicle's systems, providing information related to each component's performance. It identifies any faults that exist within these critical units, establishing whether they are functioning properly. This process is integral to understanding if the root of DTC B1248 lies within the HVAC or climate control systems. Ensuring that both systems are complete and functional is key to resolving any issues affecting rear air distribution. After completing the self-diagnostic function, check for the existence of any DTCs. Specifically, confirm whether DTC B1248 is present alongside other possible indicators. If the DTC appears consistently, it confirms an ongoing issue that needs addressing. In contrast, if the DTC does not appear, the problem may be intermittent, possibly due to loose wires or poor connections. Such intermittent failures can complicate the diagnosis, making it essential to inspect wiring and connections thoroughly before proceeding. Analyzing this step will guide the technician to pinpoint the components that may require closer investigation. The next step is to turn the ignition switch back to the lock position. This action creates a safe environment for testing. Then, the technician will test the rear mode control motor for functionality. Determining if the rear mode control motor operates correctly is vital, as a malfunctioning motor will lead to airflow problems in the rear compartment. If the motor is found to be operational, it will lead technicians to the next steps of diagnosis, while a failed unit will necessitate replacement or repairs of either the motor or related components. This testing phase confirms the motor's reliability and overall functionality. Now, disconnect the rear mode control motor by detaching the 7-pin connector. This step is critical for ensuring that the electrical tests perform accurately without feedback from other system components. Accessing the 7-pin connector allows for thorough checks to confirm connections and functionality. This step prepares the environment for continuity checks between notable components and ensures that no unintended signals affect the results. Troubleshooting within this isolated setup is essential for pinpoint accuracy and to find root causes in wiring or connectivity issues. Proceed by disconnecting the rear AC control unit by accessing connector A, which typically has 12 pins, 12P. This step allows further evaluation of the system and prepares it for continuity tests. Establishing a proper connection and power path between the AC control unit and the rear mode control motor is an essential part of diagnosing electrical issues. By focusing on this aspect, the technician can determine whether there are any faults in the wiring that could lead to the DTC being displayed. Confirming the integrity of this connection is crucial for the entire climate control system's functionality. At this stage, check for continuity between specific terminals of the rear AC control unit, 12P connector, and the rear mode control motor, 7P connector. Confirming continuity between these terminals is a key diagnostic step that verifies the electrical path and signal transmission are intact. Technicians will focus on particular wires that should show continuity, including terminals 2, 3 on one side and appropriate corresponding terminals on the 7P connector. If continuity is confirmed, it suggests that there's no interruption in the signal, helping to focus future tests. Lack of continuity signifies the need for repair in the wiring, pointing towards a likely cause of the DTC. The final step involves checking for continuity between body ground and the rear AC control unit connector A, 12P, specifically terminals number 2 and number 3. This test ensures that these terminals have a proper ground connection, which is critical for the system's overall functionality. Grounding issues can lead to false readings and errors in the climate control operation, and testing against the vehicle's body effectively identifies potential shorts or open circuits within the system. A successful test here confirms that there is no grounding issue, while a failure may indicate that repairs are necessary. This assessment is vital in understanding any discrepancies that may arise during operation. Upon completing all troubleshooting and repairs, it's essential to verify that the system is functioning correctly. Confirm that the rear mode control motor operates as intended, allowing proper airflow distribution throughout the rear compartment. Also, check for the reoccurrence of any DTCs to ensure that the issue has been resolved entirely. This verification ensures that the driver and passengers can enjoy a comfortable riding experience without unexpected climate control issues. Additionally, the verification process provides reassurance that thorough troubleshooting and repair cases were executed properly, ensuring long-term performance and reliability of the HVAC systems. Preventive maintenance is crucial for ensuring the longevity and reliability of the rear climate control system. Performing regular inspections of components like the rear mode control motor can prevent unforeseen issues. Monitoring wiring and connections for wear and tear can catch problems before they escalate into major failures. Scheduling routine diagnostic checks using the HDS helps in identifying potential faults early, allowing prompt corrective actions. Keeping the climate control system in good condition not only enhances passenger comfort, but also promotes overall vehicle efficiency. By adhering to a preventative maintenance schedule, vehicle owners can reduce the likelihood of encountering DTC B1248 in the future. In conclusion, understanding and recognizing the symptoms associated with DTC B1248 is essential for efficient repairs. By following the detailed troubleshooting steps outlined, technicians can accurately identify the root cause of the error and take appropriate corrective actions. Ensuring the reliability of the rear mode control motor, HVAC control unit, and their connections is crucial for effective climate control. Adhering to preventive maintenance practices will reduce the occurrence of such errors in the future. Properly addressing DTC B1248 not only improves passenger comfort, but also enhances the overall efficiency of the Honda Odyssey's climate control system, making for a more enjoyable driving experience. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.